Welcome to Daily Dose of Current Affairs. Assam flood death toll rises to 95. Severe monsoons cause heavy flooding in North India. Tarun Tejpal convicted in 2013 rape case. Lok Sabha has passed UPI transaction fee bill. Supreme Court refuses bail relaxation of Ashish Misra. Iran and Oman agree on Hormuz shipping corridor. Former Bangladesh PM's remark triggered tension in Bangladesh. US state of Massachusetts officially declared August 15th as India Day. Launch plastic currency notes by next financial year.